Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about KimJongMoon. To get started here, just going to go with an overview over the website. So, part of my language, but it's a shitcoin technically. I like to think of it as an altcoin though, but most people would refer to it as a shitcoin. But as you can see, you can buy it on PancakeSwap, which we will go through. And it's pretty fleshed out crypto. It's got a nice community behind it so far. Its Twitter's pretty big. A lot of people follow Twitter. But just go over the website real quick to give you a quick skim on how KimJongMoon works. So it's pretty much just a meme coin, which it's got some potential. It's got Kim Jong-moon or Kim Jong-un on its for its face, and he's a pretty large meme in the meme culture. I wouldn't say as large as Doge, but he's pretty large. It's got 4 large communities here. Reddit, which is about like 1,000 followers, or well, 1,000 members, and the Twitter, which we're gonna go over right now. Their Twitter is actually pretty large with 18.7k followers, which is kind of weird because there's not even that many holders, but we'll go over that in a minute. And as you see here, the first nuclear token, it's just a joke, but as stated earlier, we got a good community. The NFTs are going to be a large factor into why this is good. The games are, they're not gonna be anything crazy, but you'll see. So here, a big catalyst earlier today was their partnership with Views. And their earlier today, they actually hit their all-time high of 11.5 million market cap, which I'm gonna go over the statistics of the coin in a moment. But it's kind of impressive for just being a meme. And that it hasn't even been listed in CoinMarketCap yet, which I'm sure it will be. CoinMarketCap lists almost everything. And just a bunch of random crap there. Reviews coming out tomorrow. And they actually have a meme contest, which, if you can't tell, the thumbnail has a picture of my meme on here. But we're not going to worry about that. Let's go to the price chart. So I have about $59, which is kind of crazy because I only put like 30 bucks into it the other day, so it's kind of cool, but nothing crazy. I didn't want to go too high into it, but most of you guys, you analysts, like your candle chart, so give me a moment here. But as you can see earlier, around ever since that time of the announcement, it had a whole list of green candles, but obviously there's gonna be some sell-off. But ever since its IPO, or ICO I should say, sorry, it's been pretty good. I mean, right at the start it was rough, but we're seeing a really high uptrend. Obviously that could change at any moment, but it's got some good chart reading behind it. And we're probably going to get a double bottom if I had to guess this, but it's looking like we're going to get a double bottom here. So a good buy-in would be around, God, I don't even want to say that number. Point like 7 zeros and a 2 there. That'd be a good buy-in though. You'll be able to notice. But let's go over the statistics of the coin. So, a 1 trillion market cap, which honestly I don't like coins that have over a billion market cap because they're just too diluted. But the holders, there's only about 16,000 holders, which, I mean, that's a good amount, but to think like SafeMoon, which is another just shitcoin, has almost 2 million holders, so that's kind of crazy. It is kind of scary looking at the holders, but I believe that this address is a burner holder, so people toss their coins into that, or probably the owner or something, put the coins into that to burn the coins. This account technically is inaccessible, so that's what I've read up at least on it. But it's also kind of crazy thinking that the top like 20 holders own 20 or like another 15% of the coin. But then again, when you think about other cryptos like Bitcoin or even Dogecoin, there's also large whales in there too. So it's not too large to worry about, but then again, you could always fret about anything. But to buy KIMJ here, we're just gonna click this link in KIMJ. It's gonna make it a lot easier than what I was just about to do. Just click this link. But as you can see, it's gonna give you a warning. Don't worry about it. It gives you the same warning for like SafeMoon or Shiba Inu or whatever. Or I don't think Shiba Inu is on here actually. I think it's Ethereum based. But you're gonna want to connect your MetaMask. If you need to go over a lengthy description on how to connect your MetaMask, you're gonna want to connect your you want to create a smart chain. That's a different video. We're not gonna worry about that. I only have a very small amount of Binance, but you're gonna need a Binance in your account. I think you need at least like $20 worth to even for the exchange to even go through. So you're gonna enter the amount of BNB you want to put in. So probably something like 0.02 or something, and it's gonna tell you how many KIMJ you're gonna have. Probably somewhere in the middle, like the billions. So get ready for some high numbers. And then once you're done there, you're gonna want to set your slippage pretty high. So your slippage right here. I think I did 12% for mine. It says 13 to 18%, but 12% worked for me. So do whatever you can. Yep, 0.2 gives you. I'm not gonna read the decibels right now, but it's pretty large. And currently, Ethereum's been having large gas fees, so warning there. But that's a little overview on how to buy it and how to view it. Not many people know is you can actually let me refresh PooCoin here. You can actually hold on, let me log out. You can connect your wallet. So here, if you connect your MetaMask wallet, it's gonna pop up with whatever password you have to enter if you haven't entered it in your current session, and you can go to the homepage and go to your wallet. My wallet's not too crazy. I just started getting into the I've been into the altcoins for a while, but the shitcoins just started to hop on the hype ever since I saw Shiba. So yeah, it's I think KIMJ has potential to at least 2 times from here. Hold on, let me go to KIMJ again. Just in the chart alone, and knowing that there's only 15,000 holders and the market cap is only 10 million, we can easily see a triple up to 30 million easily if it just gets some good publicity. I mean, listing on CoinMarketCap's probably gonna bump it up a good 50%, and catalysts are all over the corner with these shitcoins. So just do your own research and take your own risk. I'll leave you at that. Comment on any other altcoins or shitcoins that you'd like me to overview, or even just how to get your MetaMask and Pancake swap set up. Here's to you. Having a good night.